In Zimbabwe, the political landscape is heating up within ZANU-PF. Tarai Kandishaya, the party's Youth League political commissar, has openly criticized party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa. Why? Mutsvangwa dismissed Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as President Emerson Mnangagwa's successor. According to Mutsvangwa, the decision on succession should be made by party members, not appointed by Mnangagwa himself. Kandishaya fired back, stating that discussing succession in the media is against party procedures. This disagreement highlights the underlying tensions and power struggles within ZANU-PF. As the debate rages on, the future leadership of Zimbabwe's ruling party hangs in the balance. Will it be a democratic decision by the members, or will the succession be influenced from the top? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding political drama. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest news in Zimbabwean politics.